Hello. Today we're going to cover communication on the Today's Vehicle page. The primary method of communication is a chat bar on the right side of your Today's Vehicle page. Once clicked, it will open up your communication pop-up. There are 3 different categories or tabs for communications. There's a vehicle-specific chat, which is going to be the most common used chat. On the Vehicle Chat tab, all communications are centered around a specific repair order. Service advisors can use this chat either by typing in a message to the technicians, or for even faster communication, you can build your own custom canned messages and use one-click taps to send a specific message to a technician. More on how to edit those later in this video. On the technician's tablet, they're going to have the same communication bar, and chat is going to function the same. They can click their vehicle chat. They will have messages for each specific RO that is assigned to them. They can click on each and again type out messages to the advisors, or use their own canned message library to send messages back to the advisor. The most common communications a technician will use are when they complete a specific job and want to alert the service advisor that that job is complete. To do so, they can mark that job 100% and use this bell icon to send a chat that is specific to that labor line and repair order right to the advisor. The second is via the vehicle-specific chat. Most commonly, this will be used when they finish the inspection. There should be a pre-built canned message called Inspection Complete. This is to alert the service advisor that the inspection is complete and that the advisor can start editing the inspection, building the estimate, and communicating with the customer for additional repairs. Beyond that, the technician can use the other canned messages to send updates or type a custom message that is pertaining to this vehicle. And lastly, when all authorized jobs are marked complete, they will want to use the Submit button to send a message to the advisor letting them know that the entire repair order is complete and ready for invoicing. The Submit button should be pressed when the inspection and all authorized labor lines have been complete to alert the advisor that the vehicle is finished. This will give a pop-up to the service advisor, as well as an unread indicator on their chat bar. The advisor can click on the message and see any pertaining messages that the technician has sent them. To mark a message read, you can either click on the message and it will go from blue to white, or you can click the Mark All as Read button in the top right. Any chats or messages that are specific to a vehicle should be sent in the vehicle-specific chat. That way, there is a paper trail of any of those communications that you can view in that vehicle's history. There's Team Chat, where you can chat individual users or groups of users. Those can be created with this button here. In the Team Chat, simply select a user you want to communicate to. Once you click on their name, type your message. If that message is to a technician, they'll receive that pop-up in the corresponding communication tab on their chat bar and as a pop-up at the bottom. And there's also AutoVitals Tech Support, where you can see all of your tickets that you've submit via the Help button. Any feature requests or problem tickets that you submit via the Help button will be visible here, where you can chat back and forth from tech support. Be sure to keep an eye on this if you have submitted a ticket for any responses from tech support and any next steps that they might have sent you. One other tip: vehicle chats can be accessed via this icon on the tile. Let's go back to canned messages and talk about how to create your own for common messages you're going to be sending throughout the day. To do so, go to your Today's Vehicle page menu, click System Settings, go to Workflow, General, select either Technician or Advisor, whoever you want to give the canned message to, and there'll be a list of canned chat messages. Simply hit the Add button or edit an existing. Same goes for the service advisors. Simply add a new message or edit an existing one. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.